Hello guys, I am back with a unique, new and funny video. Today I played one rank mode just 15 minutes ago. So look at my team combo. I am the tank, the Baxia, and I have 4 MM in my team. This is such a funny rank mode I ever played, because first we decided to choose Granger, so we choose Granger. Then Erythel want to choose the Erythel, then she chose Erythel. Then me and Leslie decided for the mage, but suddenly she chose Leslie. Then fourth person, this is the Hanabi, she chose the Hanabi, I don't know why. Then I don't have any choice, so I choose the Baxia tank to help my team. So I'm the Baxia. Generally I know tank always buy the mask to reduce the experience, like to get less experience and give more opportunity to MM or fighter who is near to the tank. But generally I'm playing the tank differently. Always I'm playing marksman or mage. If I'm playing mage, then I'm playing Nana or God. But from last 3 to 4 months I never played God. Mostly I forgot to choose it, or maybe enemy pick it. Both reason. So generally I play marksman, mage. Rarely I decided to play as a tank. If I don't have any choice, then I always be tank. So I bought the hunter knife, and like I always in the IL, always I tell my teammates in advance once match start, like please give me small creep, hill creep, or the small creep, no crab, the other small creep to increase my HP and the experience. And I'm never buy mask if I'm not reaching level 4, as my teammates reach level 4. As you see, Leslie took the all 2 buffs and she's level 4. So if I'm not level 4, I cannot help her in team fight. Okay, so that's why I don't bought the mask in this game. And as our best YouTube guide YouTuber Bitoski, he's such a nice guy. He has such a good tips and tricks for all heroes. So one day I watched his video for the tank. He said provide good vision to your teammates to so they can see that where the enemy will come, or where is the enemy, they are hiding in the bush or somewhere else. So as you can see, like Tigreal and Erythel fighting. Erythel little bit struggle. She used her ult, but she decided to go back because she has low health. At the same time I also got my ult, so that's why I got Tigreal. Then I also have low health, so then I back to the base, and we have Granger AFK, maybe due to low net connection. Sometime also happen to me, so mostly people report me. I'm also reporting AFK. Then I said please can you all stay with me so we can win, but mostly they are deciding to jungle, so I generally go with the Erythel because I think she is a good marksman. Leslie also good. All marksmen are good, just you need a good skill to play, so you can win all match that you want. I use my ult. Erythel also attacking with her ult. I use the Vagnians. Please don't judge me if I pronounce incorrectly and my English are not good. Just avoid that. We got both, but this is my mistake. I stuck on the minions. Otherwise I got the Tigreal. That was so close. Erythel saved me from the minions. Otherwise I literally died. Then as you see, nobody in the mid lane. So due to go to regen health, instead of going to regen health, if you are tank or any hero, just kill the minion, so you get little experience. Then I decided to go back to the base to regen my health. As you see, Irithyll got the Kimi, but Tigreal was there, so she did not get the Tigreal. That's fine. It's hard to be like 1 versus 2 in the early game. Late game you can easily kill 1 versus 5 to get Savage. As you see, this is, I think, and maybe their teammates also think that this is not a good Xbox, because they troll that he's noob, he's feeder like that. He's playing like he want to kill me, but I use my ult and second skill to kill him, and like he's supposed to run either way or like to escape easily, but he don't. So maybe that's why he's not a good, or maybe first time user. Then Leslie also got the Natalia, but I sacrificed myself for my team. Oh, that's the tank. Always sacrifice his self, mostly his self. Yeah, only Esmeralda is the one tank is she. Let's see other players. No, we do it later. Suddenly we have a new update. Granger just reconnected to the match, so don't report anybody. That's good news. But at the same time, Kimi got the turtle, and I got back. We didn't get turtle. Little bad news. But turtle is not coming as a lord, so that's a good news. Like this is my not original. This first two things is my original build, the tough shoes, and the second is anti-curious. As you can see, Kimi is trying to kill, but like suddenly she missed her ult, and she just run back because maybe she don't want 1 versus 2. As you can see, Harley and Xbox stealing my buff, so then I reached it and I used my ult immediately, and the Vagnance thing also on the both, but Harley is a little bit tricky, so he escaped. Irithyll got the Xbox, that's the good thing. But this time Kimi didn't miss the ult. She got the Irithyll, and due to Natalia and all other teammates, Kimi also got me. Let's see Leslie's build. Oh, she has a nice build, and she tried to use her ult, but maybe didn't lock on the enemy, so she just refused. Refuse is better instead of dying. As you can see, Irithyll going against Xbox. Oh, Irithyll, not Hanabi. I'm here back. Then I also decided to go with the Irithyll, because whenever I'm playing against Irithyll, she has such a long ultimate and as an enemy she always killed me. Now he can use ult to escape, but he used at the half point, so he died easily with Irithyll. By Irithyll and without ult. Only I used my ult, she didn't. Then we decided to push. As you see, I got my anti-curious. Now I am building the little bit magic defense, but this is the regen item, so then I decided to change it. Because of that, I stuck in the torrent and I died. That's the bad news. The enemy has 2 mages, one is Kimi and one is Harley, so I decided to go more magic defensible to help my team to avoid magic, to avoid myself to get more magic damage. See, Harley stealing buffs. As you can see, only Granger alive. He's little bit he reconnected late, but he got the Kimi. That's the good thing. Oh, very lucky. As you can see, I jump on the Harley and I got Harley, but Natalia got me. Let's see Erithiel. If she can get Tigreal. Let's look Tigreal's build. Oh, he has a regen mana shoes, the regen guardian helmet. That's a very good thing, especially in the brawl. And the thunderbolt. That's the like way too much good with the tank. Like if you're using thunderbolt, you can with your basic attack you can stun the enemy, and that thunderbolt provide you little bit thunder. As you see, the mana regen because of guardian helmet, he got the mana. I am back also. I use my ult, but due to I don't know, maybe a little bit more powerful X-Borg, or maybe by luck, he got first Hanabi, then me, then now Leslie. As you see, Erithiel got 2 shutdown, but accidentally X-Borg got the Erithiel and got Maniac. At this point, he's supposed to be retreat for the regen health, so he's supposed to be like more damageable, but suddenly our best marksman in the game, Granger, get the X-Borg with the good skills, and Harley got him. He got Harley. That's the good thing. And I'm back. As you can see, top lane is Kimi is in the top lane trying to push Torrent, but I reached there. She just run away. I don't know why. She can easily kill me. Maybe she has a good hat. She don't want to kill me. So then, like nobody helping me, so then I decided to use my ult to clear the wave fastly and go back to help my teammates, because we have 4 MM and they all mostly MM are squishy target for anyone. So as you can see, oh, that's the wrong jump. Tigreal and Natalia just stay together. I use my Vagnians. I don't have my ult because I already use in the to clear the minion waves. And if you are a tank, always help your teammate until you die. That's a good tank. I have so many friends who playing as a tank and they all are good with the tanks, and they always help me like as a marksman, and they like never leave me alone. As you can see, I got the Athena shield that give me magic defense from Kimi and the Harley. As you see, suddenly X-Borg decided to attack. I don't know why, but Erithiel got the X-Borg and I did the wrong jump due to auto attack. I have auto attack on, so instead of Kimi I just jump on the minions. First I decided to attack, but suddenly minions gone, so then we have all squishy targets, so I just decided to retreat. Then as you can see here, Tigreal go for the Erithiel. As you can see, Hanabi destroy the bottom lane. I stunned the Tigreal. Tigreal used the ult, but I got him because of Erithiel. I cannot get him by myself. Always thankful to your teammate to help you. I can easily get Harley, but see, he's a trick master, so he can escape easily. As you see, he escaped easily. So then I decided to go back instead of dying. I want this blue buff, but in my quick chat I say I can take the orange buff because I am generally playing marksman, and marksman always need orange buff. Then I text them that please give me blue buff. Then they say okay, next time you can take it, but in the whole game I didn't get it. But that's not important. If you have good teammates, don't worry about buff as a tank. just provide them a good vision for the enemy. As you can see, Xborg and Tigreal in the top, so I think they are coming for the pushing lanes, but I was wrong. I clear the minion wave. No, I didn't clear the minion wave, but at the same time I look on the map and we can see that all like everybody fighting in the mid bot lane near to the Lord or Turtle appearance. He can escape easily from my ult, but look, he stuck also, I stuck also. But Leslie got him. I got assist. As you can see, Natalia died, Xborg died, Kimi died, Harley died. Only Tigreal is alive, so he's a good team member as enemy. So he decided to stay back and save the buff or save the turrets. But as we have the Leslie and the new the aiming system, hero, the turret and the minion. So maybe she also has the same thing. So she got the turret. As you can see, I am here. I want this buff, but Natalia took it. So then I just use my ult to increase my movement speed. Just go to Erythiel. She got the Harley, then Tigreal, then Kimi, then Natalia. Then I helped her to get the Savage. Never steal Savage. That's bad manners. I got reported 2 times using cheats. It says you are using cheats because you steal Savage. I don't know why. I decided because I'm out of mana and the Baxia, so then I decided to attack the Lord. But then I see that those Hanabi and the Erythiel attacking the pushing. Then I decided okay, recall, and we won. That's the very unique fun game experience that 4mm and tank won. As you see, I got the golden. I got 12 assistant, 5 deaths, and this is the blade armor that I watched in the WTF movement of the Mobile Legends that was uploaded by the gamer developer. He's a good YouTuber. He always upload good best WTF movements, Miss Savages or Savage Maniacs. Then maybe suddenly hero escape at a low health. He's a good guy. I subscribed him and I follow him on every social media. You can also follow him. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.